Hi. I'm going to be doing the baking soda and vinegar challenge.
The vinegars. No, that's vinegar. This is baking soda. Okay.
Yeah, baking soda.
So,
Vinegar. This is my baking soda, by the way. Vinegar. You're going to watch me pour it to make sure that you know. Ready? I'm just going to do a little bit.
Okay, so in this whole thing, if you don't know what the challenge is that you take the baking soda and you eat it, and then you take the vinegar and you drink it, and you're trying to get all of it, and you're trying not to spit it out, and you try to drink it all, and eat it all.
I'm probably not going to drink it. I'm probably just going to spit it out, but worth a try. Here we go.
Does it taste good? Go on, you can do it.
Oh, there's still baking soda in my mouth.
Come on. Drink it. You can do the egg challenge. You can't do this.
Look, it's like bubbling. That's not great.
It's supposed to happen. You sexy beast.
I'm sorry.
And why to drink it down? We have failed at this, but we tried our best.